privilege of greeting you with the traditional Sri Lankan greeting, Aibowan. We have a multinational audience.
I welcome all of you this evening and to the workshop. SLIBTEC, as you know, is 5 years old, and we have had a slow but a steady journey.
That our beautiful motherland can become an economic hub of biotechnology in the world, we believe in it.
Make sure the participants will have the opportunity to visit this beautiful island, understand the cuisine and the culture of Sri Lanka as well, and to take the message across to the world that we are ready. Time is now. Let's engage.
The SLIBTEC is a reflection of our long-term vision to create an ecosystem where research, industry and policy come together to solve real-world challenges.
Come on, everybody, let's put our hands together. Happy 5th anniversary, SLIBTEC.
May this workshop inspire us all to work that path with dedication, collaboration, innovation for the betterment of science and the society. Thank you.
This is none other than SLIBTEC.